What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just gonna show you how to play My Ex Best Friend by Machine Gun Kelly and Blackbear. So we have the keyboard on the first fret. I'm just gonna show you the power chords, which actually goes throughout the whole song. Another version is actually open chords with the keyboard on the first fret. So you got two versions and you can actually combine like I used to do, combine both versions and then just play. So in this video I'm just gonna show you all the instrumental also which goes in the song, like this one. And also over here one more we have. So let's get started. Keyboard on the first fret. If you don't have a keyboard, that's okay. You can just have a look at the power chord shapes. So let's get started. The structure, we start with the intro, verse, chorus, and the verse, chorus, and that's it for the song. So let's have a look at the chords first. First chord is a C major, which is mu 32010. Then an E minor 022000, and then we have a D major, which is mute mute, open second, third second, and that's it. Just three chords, then you're done with the song. Now hear carefully what I'm telling you guys. In case you don't have a keyboard, just remove the, if you have a keyboard, still just remove the keyboard right now. This is actually 4 on A, 4 on A, 6 on D, which is C sharp 5. I got the C sharp, I got the 5. And make sure everything except that is actually muted. E string, D, E string, G, B, and high E string muted. So you only get that notes. You bring the shape down on that 8th fret, it's F5. And you go back 2 spaces, it's like over here, which is 6th fret, it's a 6 on A, 8 on D, and it's a E flat 5 or a D sharp 5. So you got. Now in this song, when I say C major, it means C sharp 5. Because we are actually with the keyboard, C sharp 5. When I say E minor, it means F5. And when I say D major, it means D sharp. So put the keyboard on the first fret. Firstly, have a look at the rhythm which goes throughout the whole song. So 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. So I do 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. So it's basically 1 2 3 4, all are down, and you just go normal 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. So we start over here on the C sharp 5 or the C5. So we just gonna play that 8 times because that's repeated 2 times. Let me show you the chord progression. It starts with the C major, then an E minor, then a D. But the C is actually repeated twice. It means we just gonna play the C for a full bar and the E minor and D for another bar. So we got 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, down 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 down. So this is a D5, this is a E5 when I put the keyboard on the first fret, and D5. So you got 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 4 down stroke, 4 down stroke. What you can do is you can just start palmating, having this part of your hand rested in front of the bridge of the guitar, get a very nice and soft sound. Make sure to add palmating, and when you're trying to play that open chords over here, make sure you just strum the A and the D string. So C major, I strum the A and D string, which means the 3rd fret and 2nd fret, and I'll get likely a lot similar to the power chord shape. E minor also same thing. And for the D major, we strum the D and G string only. So make sure you don't hit other string by mistake. So C major 8 strums, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. E minor 2 strums, 4 strums, 1 2 3 4. D major 4 strums. So you got. So it's actually the same thing which you did on the power chords, except we are having a capo, make the chords easy, and we are playing that on the open chords and strumming only the bass note and the fifths. So palmating added. When you remove the palmating, like you just go to the chorus, it's just gonna be a bit louder. So remove the palmating, play the full chord right now. Strum all the string. A downstroke on C, and now you can just even play the power chords with the added octaves. Nothing, it's actually pretty same. You just add an octave, which is G string, the same fret as of the D string, which means the C will be third fret on the A, related to capo on the first fret. Over here it's, I think it's a D string 6th fret and also G string 6th fret. Sorry, 5th fret. So I got the octave. So these two are octaves, so I play it like this, just to like bring that more rock flavor over here. Same for that over here on that F5. I'm sorry, get a lot messed up when I just put the capo. E minor, D. Same advice for the ones who are not having a capo. This is just the octaves added. You go palm muted. So let me tell you one thing. Again, do 8 downstroke. The rhythm remains similar throughout the whole song. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2. You can even like alternate, like on the 1 you can do a bit big down, and on the 2 small, 3 big, 4 big again, and you just repeat that in a second. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1, like this. I mean, let me tell you something. If you do have a capo, don't have a capo, never mind. You just gonna do everything palm muted when you're actually do the verse of the song. If you're playing the open chords or even if you're playing the power chord, doesn't matter. If you have any confusion regarding this, just drop me a comment down below. And when you just move on to the chorus, you are strumming with the full pace, 1 2 3 4. But the rhythm remains same. 8 strums on the C, 4 strums on the E, 4 strums on the D. And you just add the octaves. If you are playing the power chords, like you had that 1 and 5, you add the octaves over here. So 1 5 1. It's basically not 1 yet. It will be, I think it will be an 8. And that's how you're just gonna strum. And even for the ones who are playing the open chords, you're just gonna strum the full chord, playing the full chord, holding a full chord right now. Let's look at the small riff we had and all. So we have everything which I'm telling is related to capo on the first fret. So we have 4th fret on the G string, 5th fret on the B string. We strum only the G and B string 8 times. We just bring the shape down over here on the, I think this is 7th fret, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So we have index finger on the 7th fret of the G string and 8th fret on the B string. So we come from all the way down over here, strum that 4 times, and then with the index we just bar. So it's a 7th fret bar on the B and the G string, and we do 4 downstroke. It's actually, you can say it's a C. Sorry, it's a C. This is a E minor, then this is a D. So 8 downstroke on the C, 4 downstroke, and this goes in the chorus. If you hear properly, just put your headphones on and you'll be able to hear. That's basically everything. And I see there's another nice lick in that latter part of the verse, which is first things, palm muting on. So palm muting, everything is done, palm muted. Come on, let's remove the capo. So now whatever I'm telling, I know it causes a lot of confusion, guys. Even I'm actually confused a lot when I put the capo. I'm telling the frets. So still, if you just have any problem, just drop a comment down below. I will provide you with the tabs. So see what I'm doing. So no capo right now. It's a 9th fret. It's an 8th fret on the B and the G string, on the high E string and the B string. So I play E string, B string, and I repeat that sequence 4 times. So we got. After that, I add my pinky on the high E string 11th fret, pick that once, then I pick the B string 9th fret once, then I play the 9th fret on the B string with my ring finger, on the high E string, I'm sorry. I play that once, then I play the B string, 9th fret, then I play high E string, 8th fret as usual. So we got 1, pinky add, ring finger add, and you don't need to play that last note over here, 9th fret. That's basically everything for this lesson. So if this helped you out, make sure to drop me one of these. Subscribe, because I just want to reach 2,000 subscribers as fast as possible. And what else? A lot of songs coming out today. There was a big collaboration, Weekend and Juice WRLD. So I actually did that song also. So one you might check out. I'll see you guys back in the next video. Till then, bye.